Hello guys, welcome to Ray's Wanderlist. Today we are in Wayanad, God's own country, and we would like to walk you through the resort we have chosen to stay in Wayanad. It's Iron Bridge Cove, which is filled with ample of nature, and stream on one side and tea estate on the other. So this is the parking space that we have got, and there's sufficient enough space for at least like 4 to 5 guests to park their cars here. The reason why we chose this resort was it's pretty close to multiple viewpoints in Wayanad, such as Soochipaara Falls, the longest zip line, the glass bridge, Karapuzha Dam, and there's one other viewpoint which we have found, which is the Attamala viewpoint. So this is the reception. You directly park your cars and head into the reception, and they guide you with the formalities. So once you cross the reception, you hit and you see a beautiful iron bridge. Maybe that's where the name comes from. The view is pretty good. It is like walking through the nature. And on your right, you can see a dining area where they serve you a very awesome, tasteful breakfast. And on need basis, they will also provide you the lunch and dinner. They also provide you the option of barbecues. The chicken barbecue was extremely awesome. You please don't miss it, guys. And you also get the experience of cooking along with them. It was really good. So whenever you take the roads of Wayanad, you see a lot of tea estates, and you'd like to stand there, click a lot of awesome pictures to create memories. But here you have the tea estate right next to you where you stay, and you can just take a walk here. There are various options of cottages available here, and we chose one of the best streamside cottages. So this is the way to the streamside cottages, and as the name suggests, you can see the beautiful stream running behind. So this way, there's a small gate they have provided, and you can just open it, get into the stream, and have fun. So this is more of flowing water and very good. So this is the way to reach your cottage. The view is extremely good at night. It's filled with lights in midst of all these forests. it's an AC room where you get 24 hours hot water, and it's very nice, very neatly maintained. They have a TV as well for you to watch. Usually, it's a vacation, so we spent quality time with the family. It was really nice, and we would really suggest you to visit once.
We have to have fun here. It's so good.